people spend a lot of time in the supermarket searching for the product they want. So our project was to create an app that tells you like where the things on the supermarket are. So you are searching for apples.
So you search for apples in the app, and the app tells you exactly where the apples are, like in which row. So it's a great idea because a lot of moms don't know where the stuff are.
So we made when you first arrive to the supermarket, there will be like a barcode. So with your cell phone, you can scan it, and immediately the app download.
Yes, that's our purpose.
Yeah. About the background information, we research how the supermarket will benefit that by having the app. So we research how people will react or will affect them. In the supermarkets we go, we saw that a lot of people who doesn't find their stuff, they go to the hallways, and when they find other things, they buy them. So for the supermarket, it's better that they don't know where their specific item is. So with all research, we think that the customers, they prefer the app, but the supermarket itself doesn't want it. So, and about information we researched, we didn't find a lot of information about the products and the waste of products, and I think it's really important to know.
Okay, our methods. First, we make an agreement with supermarket HEB because we need to let us try the app to make their customers find the items more easily.
In the HEB, we were able to ask 30 people, but 24 told us that it wasn't a good idea because they always go to the same HEB that is near their houses, and they know exactly where all the products are. And the other 6 people told us that it was a good idea because in the encuestas we knew that they were like 24 or older, so they don't.
When we made this application, we didn't invite privacy. Also, we didn't ask for personal questions of anyone. We asked what their opinion of our web was, and it helped them in the supermarket.
Go too many times at the HEB, so they don't know exactly where the things are. But in conclusion, we knew that it is not a good idea.
Okay, our methods. First, we make an agreement with supermarket HEB because we need to let us try the app to make their customers find the items more easily.
In conclusion, we think making the super app it's a really good idea, but in the customers that don't regular go to the supermarket. So we think the supermarket, for example, HEB will not support us to make this project bigger, so it's not easy for us. But we think it could go by its own and make this app better for the future. Thank you.
People spend a lot of time in the supermarket searching for the product they want. So we made a project, and our idea was to make an app where you can click and search and find like tomatoes, and then you go to the and then in the app it shows us where the tomatoes are.